The Lion and the Fox. In a forest, a fox made the journey to a lion's cave. When it reached the cave, the fox said, "King Lion the Great, you are the strongest and most fearsome animal in the world. I want to be your loyal assistant." When the lion heard this, it agreed. And later, when it went hunting, the lion ordered the fox to draw prey out into the open for the lion to attack. The fox and the lion hunted together every day and always had plenty to eat. Some while later, the fox decided it wanted to try to kill the prey by itself and told the lion, "Today, I want to be the one to attack the prey." The lion agreed and went out to find a baby deer for the fox to kill. At that moment, a hunter happened to pass by and saw the fox attacking the baby deer. The hunter immediately fired his crossbow at the fox, injuring it severely. However, the fox was able to escape. When the lion saw the fox, he said, "Your pride and desire to be the hunter is admirable, but serves no purpose, as you ended up being the hunted." Pride and boasting can lead to your own demise.